Hello?
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified each time that I upload. Also, follow me on all my social media platforms where I keep you updated and do giveaways and say hi to you guys. And if you are an oldie but a goodie, welcome back to my channel and let's get right into the video. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be mixing some polygels up. So this is natural clear, this is white. This is transparent pink by YAYOGE. This is definitely a very affordable polygel, you guys. Very on the affordable side. So I definitely wanted to try it so that way you guys can see if it works or not. I'm going to be mixing it with polish to see if it'll work. Being that it is a different polygel and it's more on the affordable side. But they gave a top coat and a base coat, which I will be mixing the base coat with regular polish to see if it actually works, and we can do like a gel polish kind of thing. They did bring brushes and it also brought a nail file. It also brought a cuticle pusher, and you guys, it brought a mini LED light, which I love these, especially if I'm like on the go or just anything, or if I want to do my nails really quick or fast. I also do my toes with this just because I like gel nails on my toes. So definitely do recommend these little UV lamps. They are bomb. And then it did bring some of the dual forms, which I will be using the dual forms in this video today. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna mix all this stuff up and see what happens. So I will be mixing up the natural clear, and I'm going to be making a nude color with this color right here because I wanted to do nude with like a stripe of white with cow print. I've been into cow print, you guys. Don't judge me, but I've been into cow print. So this is just regular polish. This is from my Dollar Tree for $1. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of polygel in here, and I'm going to mix it up with the polish and see if it'll mix up, if it'll turn out good, and things like that. So now I'm just going to drop a little bit of polish in here. I'm actually going to mix this polish up. And then this one's actually my favorite polish. That's going really, really low. And I'm just going to take the cuticle pusher it came with. You can clean these off because it has to be cured anyways. And I'm just going to mix it up. So I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. It seems like it works better if you do mix in a color. It's creamier. It's not as rough as it is in the bottle. So I do definitely recommend this polygel if you wanted to mix it. Now the only thing is to see if it'll cure. If it cures, you guys, I definitely 100% recommend this polygel. I will leave all the links in the description box. And not only that, this is a giveaway, so you guys will get a chance to win this box right here that is filled with the same polygel that I'm using. And yeah, I also have nail lamps for a giveaway on this channel, so check that out. And yeah, you guys, look at how creamy. I'm about to do my nails and see how they go in, and I'm going to measure my nails. Oh gosh, what did I do with the dual forms? I do like these because they're kind of thin and they kind of curve, so that's pretty good. I don't think that's gonna fit. Let's try. So I'm just gonna find my actual sizes, and then we can go from there. The actual nail liquid that it came with, and what I normally do is just use like the cap that from like the clear, and I just put a little bit of that liquid in there just so I'm not using a whole bunch of products and stuff like that. And it's just the polygel slip solution that came with the actual nail kit. And then these are the brushes that it came with. Of course, you guys, you would use the nail file to prep your nails. With dual forms, you don't need a nail drill, so you would just prep your nails, do the dual forms, and put it in the nail lamp, which it did come with a nail lamp, which is really, really nice. I do like that feature. And yeah, so you just plug this in and use it that way. But since I have my nail lamp already plugged in, I would just prep my nails with this nail file. I'm not gonna do that because I have a peel off base coat, but I would just prep my nails with this, and then I also use this to shape my nails at the end of the video. You will see. So before I actually get into this, I'm going to be applying a base coat to my nail, which is the base coat that came in the actual kit. So you just want to apply all of that to all of the nails, so that way it doesn't cause any lifting with the polygel. So I'm just going to use the cuticle pusher that I was using already to just scoop the polygel inside of the dual forms. The brushes that this kit came with, it didn't come with like the back end to the brush, which is fine. I mean, that's what happens when it's an affordable brand, but it seems to be working. I'm just going to see how it looks when it's dry, or how it dries. The brushes are okay. Doesn't seem like it's giving any problems. Normally I don't see problems when I'm using a brush with polygel. You can use any brush with polygel, which is weird. Some people use thin brushes, some people use liner brushes, which is pretty cool. But yeah, everybody uses their own little style. So once I get this polygel on here, I'm just going to put it on my nail. gonna apply a quick top coat. I already did this design. Don't mind my cuticle. I will be adding gel to that. But let's get right into doing the top coat. So this is how they came out. I am in love. I love those dual forms. They're so pretty. I love the top coat, and I also like that the top coat is like it mixes well with the polish. Normally it'll like kind of crumple up, but I love them. Look at how pretty they are. Like, I am in love. And I'm missing a little bit of polish right here, but it's okay. I forgot to get that side, but look how beautiful. And I went with a cute little cow print with some French, and I just love these nails. I love the polygel kit. Definitely worth the money. Also definitely worth mixing it in with polish. I definitely recommend, you guys. Look at how beautiful that is.